Hey, it's Finn from Riverside Hi-Fi. So today I'm going to do an unboxing video for you for the Quad Artera. This is a Solus Play version. It's got wireless streaming capability. You can also use this as a multi-room system with the Quad app. It's also got a built-in CD player. Literally, it's remotes, the remote gloves, manual. That's the base for it. You also have a remote, which I'll show you. That's the remote. Obviously, again, everything's packaged well. And then we have the unit. Obviously, that's the rear. So this does come in two colours. We've got the black, which you can see. It does also come in silver, and naturally you can see it's got the CD player. So it's a great all-in-one integrated unit. You can literally just plug speakers into it and it will be ready to go, which is a nice thing about it. As you can see. Obviously, that's that. Naturally, you can control it via the app. It's got Bluetooth, and yeah, that's the unit. All the Quad range is available from us. They do a smaller system, which is the Quad Artera 2 Play. They do versions of this with a DAC, preamp, and you can add additional Quad units to it. But yeah. This is now back on demonstration, so please feel free to obviously get in touch to book your demonstration. And yeah, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.